Okay, this is the inside of a pawpaw flower, just not focusing. The anthers are gone, but it looks like it might have been pollinated. But anyway, there's a little pawpaw patch, and I see it's quite abundant this spring. So anyway, this is a member of a tropical plant family, and Nonaceae, so sugar apples are in that group. This is the furthest north. The species is as far north as that family gets. How about that? So anyway, there you go. And this is beetle pollinated, and a rather interesting fruit.